In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove filter in Smartsheet. If you've ever been working in a Smartsheet and noticed that some of your rows seem to be missing or hidden, chances are a filter is turned on. Filters are really helpful when you want to focus on specific information, but they can be confusing if you forget they're applied. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to turn a filter off so you can see your full sheet again. First, make sure you have your Smartsheet open in your browser or desktop app and that you're looking at the sheet where the filter is applied. At the top of your sheet, above your columns, you'll see the toolbar area where the filter controls live. When a filter is turned on, you'll usually see the filter icon highlighted, and you'll also see the name of the active filter displayed near that icon. To begin, move your cursor to the filter name shown at the top of the sheet. This is usually located next to the filter icon. Click on the filter name. When you do this, Smartsheet will open a small drop-down menu. This menu lists the available filters you can choose from, including any custom filters that have been created for that sheet. In this dropdown, look for the option labeled Filter Off. This is the setting that completely disables any active filter and shows all of the rows in your sheet. Go ahead and click on Filter Off. As soon as you select it, Smartsheet will remove the filter that was applied, and your sheet will refresh to display every row. You should now see all of your data, including any rows that were previously hidden by the filter. If your sheet looks much longer than before, or previously missing rows have reappeared, that's a good sign the filter has been successfully turned off. If you ever need to apply a filter again, you can return to that same filter area at the top, choose an existing filter, or create a new one. But whenever you want a complete unfiltered view, remember that clicking on the filter name and then selecting Filter Off is the quickest way to restore your full sheet. That's all there is to it. You've just learned how to remove a filter in Smartsheet so you can confidently